Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Starting out this video, I already have my eyebrows blocked and covered, and I'm just starting out with the Made You Look cream paint in Bone. And I'm starting to paint in I don't know if it's a different kind of muscle or if it's actually just bone. But in trying to recreate what it would look like if you didn't have skin on your face, in my reference photos, there's these white patches. So, doing my best to put those in. So I'm just applying the light bits first around the mouth and the cheekbones, along the nose and down the chin, as well as the brow bone poking through there. I'm also kind of taking this opportunity to map out where the brush strokes are going to be going in what directions. And then here I'm just dipping into the Mehron Paradise paint in shade Mango, and I'm using that to start painting in the light colored muscle segments. Also around the mouth and around the eyes. This look could also double as a Attack on Titan look, with just a few tweaks of exaggeration, but I was just trying to make it look like the muscular structure of the face. Here I'm just blending some, believe this is Mixed Berry shade Mehron Paradise paint in with some of that mango to make more of a pinky tone, as well as some red to make a darker color. The shade's called Mango, but I think it looks more like salmon. Mangoes are yellow. I don't know why they call it mango when it's like a peach color, but oh well. And here I'm just going back in with that bone color on the same brush and applying that to the temples and sides of my face, as I continue to fill in the muscle structure. There's really not a whole lot that I can explain about this other than to look at a reference photo and try your best. I definitely didn't do perfect. You'll see here with the final product, it's a little asymmetrical. The human face isn't perfectly symmetrical anyways, but I tried my best, which is all you can do. I'm also just layering a lot of different shades of this peachy color as well as some red colors. Trying my best to keep the muscle strain striations, I think is the word I'm looking for, separated and not just one big pink blob on my face. I didn't know what to do with my nose exactly, because in my reference photo, the guy just had his nose. I tried painting it black after I finished filming, and that didn't look right either. And then I tried to paint the nose bones on it, and that didn't look right either. So I guess it just looks better when you just leave your nose blank. Yeah, I don't know. I wasn't quite sure what to do about that. And here I'm just taking a fan brush, running that through the cream paint, and using that to paint in all the little lines on muscle texture. And then here I'm just going back in with a detail brush and adding some more of those lighter spots and trying to redefine some of the segments that were lost. There I'm just applying some white and going back in with some more of that peach color. Really, the only way to make this look like you didn't just paint your face pink is to keep working with the highlights and shadows to define the different shapes of muscles. And I really think using that fan brush to paint in all those little lines came in handy. And then here I decided to paint my lips. Again, the reference photo that I was looking at, the guy just had his lips, but I think your lips have muscles on them, so I painted it muscle color? I don't know. Trying my best. I also didn't know what to do with my eyes, so the eyes just stayed the way they are. And then I'm gonna go in with a mixture of a dark brown color and a little bit of red and some of that mango color to make a shadow color that I then go in and add here to the ends of all the muscles, and I kind of scratch it in to maintain that textured look. And I really think that helped to define more of the individual muscle pieces. I would definitely try this again, maybe in a year or so, as my painting skills improve. But I think this turned out really well. I'm really proud of how accurate I think this looks. I don't know, I'm not a doctor, but it took time and a lot of patience with the brush. Here, I didn't know how to pose my face, but thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow for my next video. Happy Halloween!